Alright, the Yada says that it is recording. We got a few seconds of recordation here. I'll stop it. Let's see, I think it's this bottom one. Okay, now it's stopped. Now let's take a look at what was recorded. Hit that twice. Video, okay. Oh, we got a failure. The last video that was recorded was back in February, because that's when it stopped. This SD card stopped working. I've been recording on this SD card for the past couple of months. It shows that it says that it's recording, okay, but it's not. It says that it records, but it actually doesn't. There's nothing on the SD card. So I'll stop the recording again, and you can see all those videos from 2 months ago now that are oh, there's the second one. Fails. I got all these old videos that stay on. I can't even get rid of them. Okay, so I hold the M for a couple of seconds because I'm so familiar with Yada, but I'm familiar with a piece of trash now. Been playing with it, trying to figure it out. And it's just something that's out of my, it's just nothing I can fix as far as I know. I could try to format, confirm. Look at it, it goes through the process of formatting. Done. Oh, it's all formatted now, so everything should be ready to go. Oh, let me stop the recording. That's a third recording that's gonna fail. Oh, the video, yep, okay. I formatted, but the videos are still there. It doesn't get rid of the videos. And I've tried formatting on my laptop and it fails. It says that it's not in the structure that it can format in. So I got a dash cam that does not work on this SD card, and I'm afraid to use just any old SD card because it's ruined. I got one stored. Well, actually, I could maybe put this in, and this is another one that's ruined, this SD card. So I'll pull this out. Needs an SD card. Grab the other ruined SD card that's not exFAT format. And yeah, it says that it's good. It's got, this one's got 6 hours. But I go into video, and I believe these are old too. From February. It stopped recording on this SD card back in February. And it can't format as well. It's two broken, at least two broken SD cards from the format issue that I can't just keep trying to buy SD cards. I've never had SD cards ruin so much. Okay, formatting. Confirm. Okay, done formatting. Oh, it's recording though. I gotta stop the recording. Look at the video, but it doesn't erase them. And at some point that new video will show up. It'll show that it'll be broken as well. But I'm holding on to old videos. I can't put on any new videos. The laptop does not format this stuff. or it says that it fails to format. There's something seriously wrong with this YADA. It's not recording. The SD cards are rendered worthless. And these, I was not getting cheap ones because I was hoping to record a lot. It's just showing that it records, and that's it. Whoops. It just kind of goes through the motions of recording, but it goes to a bad file every time. It's very frustrating to deal with, this YADA.